This is Kelly Hill, technology reporter with RCR Wireless News. I'm here today with Tom Russo of Spirent Communications.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, absolutely. So we're at LTE North America 2015, and you guys have some product launches this week. So let's talk about them.
We have several. I'm here with our Customer Experience Management business unit, and we're launching our new flagship analytics solution called InTouch CNA, Customer Network Analytics, and it's a customer experience assurance and troubleshooting solution.
Okay.
So essentially what we do is vacuum up, tremendous quantities of data from telco operators' networks. This is radio performance data, signaling data, user plane data, etc. Map it to telecom data models, apply analytics, and then present it in terms of insights to groups like engineering and customer care and marketing so that they can make better decisions. So that they can see, for example, where there are hotspots on the network where many subscribers are getting poor quality of experience, and then very quickly within a few clicks be able to get down into the root causes of those hotspots, fix them before subscribers call customer care, which is very expensive, as you know, and before they churn, before they give the operators negative NPS scores, etc. So we're thrilled, with the new product. It's got embedded Tableau visualization technology, which really, I think, beautifies our dashboards, and then also enables the operator to basically have a self-service analytics platform to build their own applications. So if they say, hey, your apps are great, but I'd really like to, tap into your data model and build my own application, they can. They can go into the Tableau tools and build their own applications, workflows, etc. We've also embedded predictive analytics into the product, so our QoE scores are tuned based on actual outcomes like NPS scores and churn and customer care activity, so that we're constantly in using machine learning technology, optimizing the QoE so that it's giving the best prediction of the outcomes. So I'm focusing on the things that really matter in the end of the day.
So what do you think differentiates Spirent's offering? I think one of the interesting factors is the ability to also use Landslide Edge and Landslide Core. But I'm curious as to your thoughts, and then maybe we can talk a little bit more about that option.
Yeah, I handle product management and marketing for our CEM unit, so I have to start with our baby here. But there's absolutely a very powerful synergy between the two technologies that I'll get to. So I think a couple of things that differentiate us. One is we've sort of been there and done that in very high volume, high velocity analytics. Our largest deployment involves collecting dozens of different data sources, 2, 3, 4G signaling, all the ones I rattled up for PM, FM data. And we're talking 50 to 100 billion records per day, less than 10-second response times. And we haven't really seen any competitor that once you go beyond the demo phase and really scale up to a network that large, give the same performance that we do. So that's one. I think the other is the degree to which we've woven predictive analytics into the product in a useful way. Third, I would say, is the self-service analytics that I mentioned. So if you're an operator and you want to go and build your own predictive analytics module or build your own application, you can do that without having to constantly come back to our developers. I think another thing, I could rattle off many of these, but is the quality of experience scoring that we have built into the product, where we're constantly, for me and you, building these 360-degree views of our quality of experience, and then also keeping track of when it's poor, why is it poor, KQIs for the different services, for radio, device, other failure modes, so that the operator can very quickly, see those hotspots and drill down. So that's another one. We'll leave it at that. Yeah. Now, for the Landslide Edge and Core, we're really excited about this because historically, the data that we get is usually data, from the human guinea pigs, right? So me and you roam around the network, and we have multi-call failures and stuff, and then
we call and complain.
Yeah, well, we call and complain, exactly, and then that flows through, probes that monitor the network, and it goes into our system, and people say, oh, there's the problem, let's go and fix it. And it's nice if you can fix it proactively before people call and complain. It's nice if after they complain you can use our product to very quickly isolate the root cause and fix it. But even better is, hey, could I go and pretend to be a mobile in the network and experience those types of failures before humans do? That would be really awesome. And that's what Landslide Edge and Landslide Core allow you to do. Spin up virtual UEs in the network and try all kinds of different ways to have failures on the network. Roaming interconnectivity, VoLTE, IMS interconnectivity, different VoLTE video calls, new software releases, new network elements, etc. Try all this stuff with the machines. Let them suffer.
Look at the analytics.
We'll see it in our product.
Yep.
Show you the analytics. Show you what to fix it. Then let the humans get on the network. And that's, I think, taking proactive to a whole nother level. So we're really excited about this.